Hey, what's up? This is K Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make logo animation with two perfect and professional plugins, Element 3D and Saberlight. Let's start. The easy way is to create a 3D logo. First go to Illustrator, go to File, Place, and then select the logo, drop here, then embed. So after this, here is image trace. Okay, Ctrl Z, go to 3 color trace like this, then click on expand, right click, ungroup, delete the background, select both, Ctrl C copy and go to After Effects. Create a new composition. Right here, Apple Motion. 5 seconds is enough and then press OK. Fit your screen and then title action save area, Ctrl R for turn on the ruler and then create a new solid. Right here, Apple Mask. Press enter and then press Ctrl plus V on keyboard for the copy from the Illustrator and paste into After Effects directly. So now right click, create another new solid, any different color no matter. Right here, Element 3D, and go to Effects and go to Video Copilot, Element. So go to Custom Layers and go to Custom Text and Mask. Go to here, select Apple Mask and go to Scene Setup. So after this, click on Extrude. There is the 3D logo. Okay, time to go to presets, bevel, physical. There is a lot of kind of 3D extrusion. Select the scale, little bit scale, and then go to extrusion model. Change the bevel to material. Going to materials, physical, change it. And now go to environment, click here, change the environment from the backlight 4K. Here is a lot of environment. Click this one, looking good. And go to bevel 3. Here is the outline and there is the bevel. Bevel size, let's control the bevel size little bit, and the segment for the quality smooth model. Expand edge, good. Turn off the screen and there is the chrome. Select the bevel one again and draw. Not bad, just let's change the material. Let's change the lighting, cinema 360. Change from here, double click on this and double click on this, press OK. Okay, good. Press OK. And now turn off the Apple Mask solid and right click, create another new solid. Right here, Saberlight. Press OK and OK. Go to Effects and go to Video Copilot. Select the Saber and then Ctrl V, paste the mask and go to Customize Core. Select the layer mask. Here is the layer mask. Press F4 for turn on the mode and select the add. Okay, and now time to change to golden color like this and press Ctrl or set the core size to 1, and now select the saber light, press S, change the scale a little bit, then turn on the 3D and go to active camera from top, zoom in, select your camera, let's create a new camera, 28, press OK. Here is the camera view, the camera target, select again the saber and move it to front of the 3D logo. Here. Then active camera back 1, select again, press F4. Where is the mode? Close this one, select the saber light, turn off. Let's select the camera, control the camera, press shift by pressing the plus button on keyboard, turn on again, let's control like this, change to classic 3D from this setting and go to again top, select again the saber light and move it to front of 3D logo model. And now active camera again and orbit. Good. Select the saber light and make animation. Change this one 1.5. Okay. Go again to top. Make a little bit more space. Select again the active camera. There is the start offset. Start offset. Change the end size to 50. 50. From the second one, or start from the 0, stopwatch, the start offset, go to second one 15 frame, change it to 0, I mean 100. There is the 15 frame, change to 0, and from 25 frame select the end offset and go to 3 seconds, change to 0. Play now. Here is the 3D motion. Let's animate the camera. Select the camera in seconds, press Ctrl Shift D or go to Edit Split Layer, go to second 4, Edit Split Layer. From the start, select the camera, move the camera like this and zoom from here and move it down. Open the camera setting, transform, turn on these two positions and go to second 2, press page up on keyboard, move the camera up, play now. Good. And now time to make animation the second camera. Let's orbit and let's zoom in. Zoom in. Okay, open the camera and transform stopwatch, go to second 4, then zoom out. Okay, one thing more, turn on the orientation rotations and go back to second 4, zoom out and rotate the camera and move the logo to center point. Here, play now. Good. And now select the saber light, press U, select all keyframes of saber light, press Alt and play for slowly moving the saber light. Okay, now time to animate the what? Animate the reflection lighting from start of the second 2. Go to Element 3D and go to render setting and turn on the motion blur from here little bit, I mean 90. So go to lighting, change it to cinema, open the additional lighting rotation stopwatch, go to end of 5 seconds, not this one. What about physical environment reflection? The reflection must quality be high and good. Okay, let's render. Close all layers, all layers, all layers. Let's change the layer colors. Animate. Wait for the rendering. Good. Select again the element 3D and go again to rotation. Let's animate this point. Good. So after this, select the element 3D and drop the effect CC light sweep on the element 3D and change the setting, the linear, and change the thickness 350 and the weight, sweep intensity, age a little bit, the smooth, sharp, linear. The linear is good. Stopwatch the center point and go to second 5. Change. Play now. Okay, press Ctrl K for creating more seconds. 7. Zoom out. Select these layers. Press Shift. Play. And go to element 3D, press U. Here is the rotation of the reflection. Play. Looking good. Before rendering, let's create a 3D reflection. Go to scene setup and then go to create a plan, rotate to 70. Scale up the size, scale up and scale up, and move it behind of logo here, and drop a 3D material glass and right click, reflect like a mirror surface like this, and press OK. Select the element 3D and delete the CC light sweep. Play now. Here is the 3D material reflection. I need more reflection. Select again the glass and go to reflection. Need more reflection.